Fat Brain Toys Air Tubes turns a simple stream of air into a surprisingly engaging building and cause and effect toy, with foam balls visibly zipping through clear tubes. The modular tubes and connectors can be rearranged into many different layouts, so kids naturally experiment with airflow paths, trial and error, and basic physics ideas. It doubles as a hands-on science activity, quietly building spatial reasoning and problem-solving skills while still feeling like open-ended play. The built-in fan runs on a rechargeable battery that lasts for several hours between charges, so kids are not constantly tethered to an outlet. Thoughtful safety touches like the protective grate over the fan, automatic shutoff after a short period, and large softballs make it feel appropriate for younger children with supervision. The sturdy plastic tubes and snug-fitting joints hold up well to repeated rebuilding sessions, making this set a solid choice for families who like interactive, screen-free toys.